Today, we've got some thrilling news to share about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S24 FE, along with some surprising details about the Fold FE and Flip FE. Stick around as we dive into the latest leaks and rumors. First off, let's talk about the Galaxy S24 FE. Born from the ashes of the Galaxy Note 7, Samsung's Fan Edition program has been delivering high-end devices at unbeatable prices. And now it looks like the S24 FE is on the horizon. Last year, Samsung treated us to not one, but two Fan Edition slates along with the first ever Galaxy Buds FE. But this year, the lineup is expected to expand even further with the introduction of the Galaxy S24 FE. So what can we expect from the S24 FE? Well, according to the latest leaks, it might come with some impressive specs. We're talking about the Exynos 2400 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, paired with 8GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 256GB to a hopping 512GB. Now, how credible are these leaks? That's obviously impossible to say in the absence of actual inside information on our part. But while a different tipster expected the S24 FE to pack a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, that Gen 2 silicon makes a lot more sense to us as a follow-up to the Gen 1 powered Galaxy S23 FE. What's a little harder to believe is that the Exynos variant of the Galaxy S24 FE could be just as advanced as the S24 and S24 Plus. But hey, weirder things have happened in the mobile industry in recent years. Compared to its predecessor, the S24 FE is rumored to offer a base storage of 256GB with an option for 512GB. The RAM configuration of 8GB is expected to remain unchanged. While specifics about other features remain vague, these upgrades promised enhanced performance and storage capacity. Because this can cost a fortune, the 8GB RAM count of the S23 FE is likely to go unchanged for both S24 FE models, with other specifications rumored to be similar to or slightly lower than the standard S24. That's sure clear and open to all sorts of interpretation, especially when you consider that this particular ex-tipster doesn't exactly have the longest history and strongest track record in the mobile leaking business. While no one knows exactly when Samsung plans to unveil the Galaxy S24 FE, the handset's existence and eventual release are not really up for debate. The situation is different for the Galaxy Fold FE, or Fold 6 FE, and Flip FE, or Flip 6 FE, which may or may not be in the works and may or may not see daylight by the end of 2020. Just two other questions impossible to answer right now, although we're definitely curious to find out the truth for you, eventually. So there you have it, folks. Exciting times ahead for Galaxy fans with the upcoming S24 FE, Fold FE, and Flip FE. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more updates on all things Samsung. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace out.